Welcome to Hgreg Lux Car of the Month. Today we'll be featuring the 2021 Bentley Continental GT convertible. This car has about $50,000 in options like diamond quilted seats, piano black dark stained burr walnut, 22-inch wheels, sports pedals, lane assist, night vision, and traffic assist. It's a beautiful day in South Florida, so we're going to, of course, drive with the top down and enjoy the elegance and luxury through my hair. This Bentley is absolutely a stunner. It embodies exactly what you expect. The ride is smooth. This beauty has an exterior color of glacier white with a stunning black and red interior. We could talk about how beautiful it is, but let's talk about its power and what we can really expect underneath the hood. It has a torque vectoring all-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension. And of course, let's not forget its twin-turbo V8 engine, which goes 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds. Does the Bentley live up to this name, this beautiful GT convertible? The answer is yes. Once you've driven this Bentley, you'll second the motion that it's smooth and definitely fun to drive. It's a perfect combination for this luxury vehicle, as inviting as this Bentley Continental GT convertible.